Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling some tough exam questions. But don't worry, we'll break them down and make them simple. We're going to use a straightforward approach to solve these problems. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's look at this question. A train travels at 60 miles per hour. How long does it take to travel 300 miles? Seems easy, right? But some people get tripped up. Here's how to solve it. We know distance speed x time. So, time distance speed. We have the distance 300 miles and the speed 60 miles per hour. Time 300 miles 60 miles per hour 5 hours. Simple. The answer is 5 hours. Now, let's try a word problem. John has 10 apples. He gives 3 to Mary and 2 to Tom. How many apples does John have left? This is a subtraction problem. John starts with 10 apples. He gives away 325 apples. So, 1055. John has 5 apples left. See? Not so hard. Next up, a slightly trickier geometry problem. What is the area of a rectangle with a length of 8 centimeters? And a width of 4 centimeters? Remember the formula area length x width. So, area 8 centimeters by 4 centimeters 32 square cm. Make sure to include the unit, which in this case is square centimeters. Let's move on to some algebra. Solve for x2 x5 15. First, subtract 5 from both sides 2x 10. Then, divide both sides by 2 by 5. The solution is x5. We are using basic algebraic manipulation. Very good. Now a quick chemistry problem. What is the chemical symbol for water? This is a recall question. Water is H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. This is a crucial concept. Okay, let's try a different type of question. Consider this physics problem. If a car accelerates from rest at 2 milliseconds for 5 seconds, what is its final velocity? Here, we use the equation final velocity initial velocity acceleration times time. The car starts from rest, so the initial velocity is 0 ms. Therefore, final velocity 2 milliseconds times 5 s 10 ms. The car's final velocity is 10 meters per second. We are now doing a complex math problem. Calculate the compound interest on $1,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years. The formula is a P1RNNT, where A is the final amount, P is the principal $1,000, R is the rate 0.05, N is the number of times interest is compounded per year, 1, and T is the time 2 years. So, a 10010.051112 $1,102.50. This is the final amount. The compound interest is $102.50. Let's tackle an economics question. If the price of a good increases, what happens to the demand? According to the law of demand, demand decreases. This is inverse relationship. Here's a logic question. If all cats are mammals, and Mittens is a cat, is Mittens a mammal? Yes, Mittens is a mammal. This is deductive reasoning. Lastly, what is the capital of France? This is a basic geography question. The capital of France is Paris. Always important to remember.